Live video is one of the most powerful tools for growing your business online. So why are so many people still struggling to get results? I'll tell you why. There are 5 major mistakes that are holding you back. And today I am breaking them down so that you can stop wasting your time and start seeing some real results so that your live videos start to work for you and work consistently. Hi, I'm Janine. I am a live video strategist and coach, and I help business owners and creators grow their brands on social media, build engaged communities, and make sales through live video. If you have been going live but you've been struggling with engagement, sales, and consistency, today's video is for you. By the end of this video, you are going to know the 5 biggest mistakes that are keeping you stuck and the exact steps to turn your live videos into powerful, highly engaging, lead generating content. Now, before we dive in, let me know in the comments what your biggest struggle is right now with live video. Is it confidence, getting engagement, or turning your live streams into sales? Now let's move into the 5 common mistakes that after today you are no longer going to be making. Mistake number 1, you don't have a clear brand positioning. If someone tunes in to watch your live stream but they have no clue what it is that you do or why they should listen, they'll leave. It's as simple as that. A confused audience will not engage, and they certainly will not buy. Before you go live, make sure that you can answer these 3 questions clearly. Number 1, who are you? Number 2, what do you help people with? And number 3, why should they care? Now, if you can't answer that in a few seconds, your audience won't be able to either. For example, instead of saying I'm a business coach, say I help service-based entrepreneurs land high-ticket clients with blank. Do you see the difference? Specific equals instant clarity equals more followers. Comment the word clarity check if you know that you need to refine your message. Mistake number 2, your live videos don't speak to the right audience. You're going live, but if your content is not speaking directly to your ideal client, they won't stay. A lot of business owners make the mistake of talking about what they think is interesting rather than addressing the actual needs of their ideal client and target audience. You need to be addressing what your audience actually needs every single time. Ask yourself, what are my audience's biggest pain points? What questions are they asking every day? And how can I solve their problems live? So for example, if you are a social media coach, don't just go live saying, let's talk about Instagram. Instead, say, are you struggling to get leads from Instagram? Here is one strategy that is working right now. Do you see the difference? Drop content strategy in the comments if you know that you need to fine-tune your live topics. Mistake number 3, you're going live without a clear plan. So many people hit the go live button with no real structure, hoping that people will engage. This leads to awkward silences, random rambling, and a lack of direction. Before you go live, have a simple structure in place. A hook to grab attention. For example, are you struggling with low engagement? Let's fix that today. A main topic to teach, entertain, or provide value. And a call to action to tell your audience what to do next. Instead of just saying, hey guys, start with, today I'm breaking down the mistakes that you are making with blank and the exact fixes, so stick around. Mistake number 4, you're not encouraging audience interaction. If you're talking at people instead of with them, guess what? They won't engage. The more comments, questions, and likes that you get, the higher the algorithm pushes your live. Use engagement triggers like, drop a fire emoji if this resonates, comment yes if you've struggled with this before, what's your biggest challenge, comment below. For example, if you are a mindset coach, instead of saying confidence is key, ask what's one thing you wish you felt more confident about. Drop it below. Mistake number 5, you're not giving a clear call to action. Now I know you're probably saying, Janine, I know this. I've got to add a call to action in my videos, in my live streams. But here's the thing. I want to remind you that people will not take action if you don't tell them what to do next. A lot of business owners and creators end their lives without telling their audience what to do next. No wonder they don't see any results. You cannot assume that your audience know that they should follow you or sign up for your free checklist. You have to explicitly tell them what they need to do. Always end with a strong CTA. Do you want them to follow you, DM you, or sign up for something? For example, instead of "thanks for watching," say, "if you want to go deeper on this, DM me the word blank and I'll send you a free guide." I want you to drop "ready to grow" if you are committed to fixing these mistakes today. Here's a quick recap of the 5 mistakes. Number 1, a lack of a clear brand positioning. Number 2, speaking to the wrong audience. Number 3, no structure with your live stream content. Number 4, low engagement and interaction. And number 5, no clear call to action. Now, if you're serious about mastering live video and turning it into a powerful lead generation and conversions tool, stay tuned because I am launching my Accelerate Live Academy. If you want more details, drop the word Academy in the comments below and I will send you some more information. And let's keep the live stream party going. I want to encourage you to click onto this video, which is going to be sharing with you tips on how to grow your business with live video in 2025. I will see you on the next video.